just up here in Darwin. Got our Living Adventure shirts on, ready for another day's adventure. Heading into Litchfield National Park today. Going to go check out Florence Falls. Should be nice, bit of a swim. Somewhere new. It'll be awesome. Going to Florence Falls, up in the Northern Territory. Oh, that's so nice. Oh yeah, that one. The water looks cold.
Yeah. I feel like it's pretty cold for me. Not too
Has to be done. I don't know. Yeah. The water's actually quite warm.
Yeah, the water's not as cold as I thought it was going to be. Yes, I just said that.
It mustn't be cold. Oh yeah.
Little rafferty thing.
That's so nice. Oh, that's cool. Bino-nosed gecko.
Another creature. Butterfly.
Butterfly. Yeah. Let's open up a bit. Another creek crossing.
You guys can first.
Thank you.
Is this where you went with Sandy and some tables?
going down to Tolma Falls, Northern Territory.
You like saying that, don't you? Getting as much as we can in 24 hours.
Absolutely. Gotta make the most of it.
500 meters, easy.
Very cool.
Last time we saw a view like this, we were a bit more puffed.
Yeah, we were.
Oh wow, look at the water.
So clear. Look at how it's formed an arch in the middle there. Did you saw a big what?
We saw a big crocodile.
Oh, crocodile. Really awesome. Oh my god, this is making me feel so uneasy.
Hey?
Making me feel so uneasy. Oh yeah.
Music down.
We're just doing the little loop here at Tolma Falls, about 1.5 k's. It's not a bad little walk. You get some really good angles of the creek line, a different perspective of the waterfall, and yeah, some pretty interesting plants and stuff as well. So the walk's pretty easy, a little bit rocky.
Thongable.
Definitely thongable. Yeah, definitely recommend taking a look at it. That's for sure. Nice little swimming holes along the way. Look at that pool down there, my god. Funny.
So is that the top of the falls here?
Yeah, and that's the arch that we saw.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow. Imagine being able to get to that.
Oh, I reckon you could.
I can hear it, but I can't. Is that the track there still?
There it goes up there, I think.
Maybe we try and get up on that one to see. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow. Windy.
Yeah, I'm worried about the hut. Going flying. There's the chopper. And over here, these pink flowery things.
They got to be hibiscus. Hey?
There's got to be some sort of hibiscus. I'm walking along the track.
Are you still videoing?
Yes. You can see all the sand. Actually looks like beach sand, but it comes directly from this sandstone that's in the area here. As it erodes down, forms that nice sand. We are at stop number 4 on our Litchfield tour. It's hard to pronounce the name of the falls, so we'll hopefully find a sign I'll show you, but it's like Chibathi or something like that.
Oh, there we go.
So we're just going to go and have a look. See what hidden gem this one is.
This was not on the list.
This was not on the list, we just saw it, and as spontaneous as we are, we just took off and had a look.
Which way do we go?
I don't know. How do you say it?
I don't know. I am not going to. Oh, look at it.
What is it? Holy geez. Oh, that's long, ain't it?
Yes.
Probably won't have time for that one today, will we?
No. Probably not thong
Not the thongs.
appropriate either. Maybe we won't do this one.
Oh well, just remember, bring shoes if you want to do Jataba Falls Walk.
Sad face.
Oh well. To the next one. Where are we off to now?
Wangi.
Wangi Falls. Ah, it's pretty spectacular. Nice easy walk from the car park and a little cafe at the end of it too, so you might stop for a little snack after this one.
Working up an appetite today.
Oh yeah. That is impressive.
Yeah, amazing. It must be. Look how high up it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
So nice.
Hey?
A clock truck over there. City runner.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Imagine walking through here with like a little water. All
Oh,
around.
that'd be so good. That's so scary.
Yeah.
You crocodiles.
Yeah. Oh, that's fire.
Big one.
That's huge.
What's it say?
Don't mind the popping.
Yeah, it's quite steep that hill. And the stairs. A little bit thirsty.
Most of the way.
Up the top of the falls. The water is amazing.
So clear, look at that. Wow.
Incredible.
Isn't it amazing that this feeds that massive waterfall?
Yeah. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Must be what feeds the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, fairy ponds. That's cool. Nice temperature too.